Hi, welcome back to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you how to make an easy bow using ribbon, scissors, pipe cleaner, and this glue. It's a glue spray. Let's start off with this ribbon. So this ribbon, I got it from Sam's Club. It's really good. I believe it's around $6, and there's a lot of ribbon there. Okay, so we start off by making a small loop. This is going to be on top of your bow. This is the middle part of your bow. Now we're going to pinch the back side and do a small twist, and then we're going to create a small loop. I don't remember the measurements. I believe it's around 4 or 5 inches long. Okay, so we get it together and then we create another loop on the other side of your bow, around the same size. Okay, we hold it, just do a little twist and hold it together and do another loop on the other side, like so. And repeat the process by pinching, twisting, and then another loop on your other side. I will be creating a total of 6 loops for this bow. Let me know in the comments if you're liking this type of videos or if you would like to see something different. I will be posting another video on another summer wreath tutorial. It's a summer / 4th of July type of wreath. And then after that one, I will be making different videos for you guys. Okay, so I'm almost done here with my loops. I'm on the last one. So now we're gonna work on the tails. So the way we're going to work on our tails is by first we're going to get all the loops together, pinching them, and then using my mat, I'm going to measure about 24 inches. The tails are not going to measure 24 inches, they're going to measure 12. You will see right now how we're going to fold it. Okay, so it measures 24. Or you can do it as long as you want your tails to be. This is just my preference. Okay, so we cut. Now we're gonna fold the tail all the way. So you're gonna fold it in half and hold it on the back of your bow, like so. So now we're gonna get the pipe cleaner. Okay, it goes through the loop. And make sure you get everything, every single ribbon together, and then twist. You're gonna do as many twists as you need for your bow to be secured. After I'm done, I'm just going to cut the tails and then cut a little more. So here we're done. So normally here it frays a little bit. You can either use nail polish, clear nail polish, or I use Mod Podge. It's a Mod Podge spray. I'm just gonna spray a little bit for the ribbons to stay stiff. And then I'm going to spray the whole bow when I'm done fluffing the bow. So by spraying with Mod Podge, it helps your bow to stay in place nicer and longer. Alright, so after I'm done fluffing the bow, I'm just going to spray. And this type of print of ribbon, I normally use it for Christmas. A lot of people like this for Christmas decorations, so I use it for my Christmas wreaths. It can also be used for fall. Alright, so we're gonna spray a little bit. It doesn't need a lot. So a little bit, it's fine. And this glue, I got it from Michael's. So here we go. Now we're done with the bow. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.